Welcome to this video on surge protection and electrical safety. We will explore the technical aspects of keeping your home and electronic devices safe from power surges. Did you know that 80% of power surges originate from within your home? While lightning causes 20% of surges, inductive appliances like air conditioners and motors send damaging microsurges into your electrical circuits over time. Surge protectors utilize a component called a metal oxide varistor, or MOV. It ignores normal voltage levels but detects spikes, safely diverting excess energy into the earth-ground connection. A vital rule is, no ground, no protection. An ungrounded socket prevents the MOV from dumping excess energy, creating a false sense of security and a significant fire hazard. A comprehensive approach uses a layered defense strategy. This involves Type 1 protection at the meter, Type 2 at the distribution board, and Type 3 at the wall plug. When selecting devices, check the technical specifications. Look for a high Joule rating for energy capacity, low clamping voltage, and a fast response time. This matrix compares power strips, surge protectors, and UPS units. While all add outlets, only surge protectors and UPS devices contain MOVs to defend against surges. Never plug high-wattage appliances like space heaters or microwaves into surge protectors. These devices can overwhelm internal wiring, leading to melted plastic and fire risks. Surge protection isn't permanent. Internal MOVs degrade over time as they absorb surges, so you should plan to replace your units every 3 to 5 years or immediately after a major surge event. Beyond machine safety, consider human safety. RCDs monitor earth leakage to prevent shocks, while AFDDs detect arc faults. Modern homes benefit from integrating all these safety systems. To summarize, identify the threats, deploy layered protection, verify the technical specifications of your devices, and follow strict maintenance rules for a safer electrical environment.